Hello and welcome to Math Lessons with Linda. Today's topic is multiplying two binomials using the FOIL method. So the FOIL method is just kind of a fancier way to say distributing, and this is what the FOIL means. We're going to multiply the first terms together, then we're going to multiply the outside terms together. The I means we're going to multiply the inside terms together. And the L means we multiply the last terms together. So let's look at what we're going to do with this first problem. X minus 5 times x plus 4. So binomials, remember, just mean that it's two terms, right? So I have two terms in this parenthesis, the x and the negative 5. And over here, I've got an x and a positive 4. So these are my two binomials, and I'm going to multiply using FOIL. So the first means multiply these first terms in each parenthesis. So like I'm going to make arrows. So I have x times x. That gives me an x squared. Okay. The outside means what are the ones that are furthest away from the middle of my problem. So that means I'm going to multiply this x and this positive 4. That's a plus 4x. Then I'm going to do the inside terms, and I'm going to have to pop down to the bottom here so I don't have so many arrows. So the inside terms are the ones that are closest together. So the negative 5 and the plus x. So I have a minus 5x for this. And then the last means these last two terms in the parentheses, right? This is the last one here and here. So I've got an arrow for the negative 5 times the positive 4. So that's minus 20. What you would like to do, if you can, is simplify by combining like terms. These middle two terms are like terms. They both have an x. And I'm going to do a positive 4 minus 5. Let's keep our x squared. When I add these together, that is a negative 1x. And then minus 20. So I have multiplied together. There's nothing more I can do. And that's how I used the FOIL method for this problem. Let's try one more, and we're going to have a few more coefficients on this one. And we're going to switch up our variable. 3a plus 2 times a plus 1. So if we use our FOIL, the first two terms, 3a times 1a is 3a squared. So we have another coefficient here that's not just a 1. Then my outside terms are the 3a and the positive 1 here. So that's just a plus 3a. My inside terms, the ones that are closest to each other, plus 2a here when we multiply. And then the last two terms, 2 times 1 is a plus 2. It happens that I can combine these terms again, the middle terms that I got. So it's 3a squared plus 5a plus 2. That's how you use the FOIL method to multiply two binomials together.